Without any professional mechanic or large workshop, some creators are going viral overnight by showing virtual magic that transforms rusty, broken, and ancient train engines into shiny masterpieces. Take a look at the first channel. The channel is called Number 1 Restoration. With only 14 videos, they have already gained more than 500 subscribers. One video has received over 1,000 views, the second video has received 3,000 views, and the third video has received around 85,000 views. That is unbelievable. Now, if we look at the second channel, its name is Deep Sea Giants. They have uploaded 108 videos and gained 11,000 subscribers. Their first video received 58,000 views, the second video received 58,000 views, and another video received 68,000 views. If we check their monthly income, we can see they're earning more than $200 per month. Looking at another channel, we can see that the first video received 50,000 views, the second video received 48,000 views, and the third video received 6,000 views. If we visit their popular section, we can see that the first video has gained more than 600,000 views, and the second one has gained more than 300,000 views. If we check the income of this channel, we will be surprised because they are earning around $1,000 per month. That's crazy. When we look at everything together, it becomes clear that this niche is currently trending, and very few people are creating this type of content. In today's dedicated tutorial, I will teach you a perfect method that will allow you to create AI-powered train restoration videos from home. To create the core engine behind this unique restoration project, we first need a chatbot. You can open any platform such as ChatGPT or Gemini according to your preference. Then go directly to my Google Docs file where I have prepared a dedicated master prompt for this mechanical and restoration niche. You will find it in the description of this video. Copy the entire text carefully, then paste the copied prompt into the chatbot and run it. As soon as you run the command, the chatbot will load for a moment and then present a list of 10 unique topics, such as ancient steam engines, bullet train makeovers, vintage luxury carriage repairs, or train rebirths from scrapyards. Next, return to the Google Docs file and copy the prompt below completely. Then go to GPT and choose any title you like. After that, go directly to Google AI Studio. Once inside, you will see the System Instructions section on the right side. Click on it, paste the copied prompt there, and replace the title section with the title you selected from ChatGPT. Then paste the title again into the chat box and press Enter. After Google AI Studio finishes loading, it will generate scene-by-scene directions for us. Once it finishes, simply type Continue Part 2. After loading again, Google AI Studio will generate the second part. When Part 2 is complete, type Continue Part 3. After another short loading period, Google AI Studio will generate a JSON prompt. This is our main prompt that we will use to create the videos. As you can see, it will generate many prompts one after another, creating 120 or more scenes. Once all the scenes are generated, copy the prompt for the first scene. Go to Google Flow and change the image mode to video mode from the settings panel. Then paste the first video prompt, generated by Google AI Studio, and click the Generate button. Once the process is complete, the static image will transform into a beautiful hyperlapse restoration animation. Then return to Google AI Studio, copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate it. You will see the video starting to generate. Continue this process for all remaining prompts. Generate all the video clips one by one and organize them in a folder. The final step is editing. For this, I use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the video clips downloaded from Google Flow. Arrange them one after another according to the restoration sequence on the timeline. After placing everything on the timeline, play the entire video and carefully inspect it. If any AI-generated frame contains small errors, trim and remove those sections so the final video feels like a premium Discovery Channel production. Then add a transition between every scene. Once that is complete, click on Effects, search for TV, and add a suitable effect to the timeline. Adjust it properly across the project. Once everything looks perfect, simply click the Export button. Your high-quality AI-trained restoration video is now 100% ready to make waves across social media.